In this video, I will show you how to reset your Astra theme customizer. So guys, if you are using in your WordPress website Astra theme, so this plugin is very useful to reset customizer settings. Search this plugin Astra, Astra Customizer Reset. This plugin helps to reset customizer settings for the Astra theme in a single click. So install, then activate. Now after activation, visit your website homepage, then click on customize. Now guys, here you will see this option reset all. So just select it to reset your Astra customizer settings. That's it. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve and you can reset Astra customizer settings in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.